So you missed a payment. How bad is this? Well, it depends entirely on how many days past due you are. There's a specific timeline that will determine whether your score takes a hit, how big that hit is, and how long it follows you. So let's break it down. I am Jordan. Welcome to Credit Able Jordan, where we make credit simple, real, and actionable. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. So here's what most people don't know. Your score is not affected the day you miss a payment. Creditors cannot report a payment as past due to the bureaus until it's at least 30 days late, and that's backed by CFPB guidelines. So you have a 30-day window from your due date. You miss a payment due on the 1st, you have until the 30th. You'll get hit with a late fee, typically between $30 to $41, but your credit score is still untouched. You want to pay before that 30 days is up, and it never touches your report. That window is everything. So if 30 days pass without payment, the creditor reports that account as past due to all three bureaus, and your score drops. How much? A 2026 LendingTree report puts the average at about 80 points, but higher scores fall harder. A 780 score can drop 90 to 110 points because a late payment is a major anomaly in an otherwise clean history. A 680 will typically drop between 60 to 80 points. Either way, the damage is real, and it gets worse the longer it goes unpaid. If it's late for 30 days, it's reported to the bureaus and your score drops. If it's late 60 days, the second past due mark is added. 90 days, the account is flagged as severely past due. And 120 to 180 days, you have a possible charge-off, and then it goes to collections. That is a separate negative mark that can devastate your score. All of that will stay on your report for 7 years from the original missed payment date. Not from when you pay it, but from when you first missed it. So before we go into how to recover from this, if you're seeing late payments, collections, or charge-offs on your report right now, then the credit team at ImproveU.io can help you build a real cleanup plan. And any business funding links are in the pinned comments as well. Everything's below. So you've got a late payment. Here's your recovery plan. 1, you want to pay that account current immediately just to stop it from escalating. 2, write a goodwill letter asking the creditor to remove the mark. It doesn't always work, but for the first time, it costs nothing to ask. 3, you're going to set up auto pay so this never happens again. And 4, build positive history going forward. The impact of a late payment will soften significantly after 12 months and is minimal by years 4 and 5, as long as you don't stack more late payments on top of it. So consistent on-time payments are your fastest recovery tool. Nothing beats it. So remember, you have a 30-day window. Use it. If you've passed it, pay it current. Write that goodwill letter. Set up auto pay and stay consistent. One late payment is recoverable. The second one is where people can get stuck. So please subscribe to Credit Able Jordan for the next video. You can drop a comment. Have you ever had a late payment hit your report, and how did you handle it? So I'm Jordan, and I'll see you in the next one.